Hey everyone, real quick before we dive into today's video, let me ask you a couple questions. Do you struggle with your mindset or some of the habits that you have? Or are you currently seeking to learn and grow and getting as much personal development in your life as possible but don't know where to begin? If that sounds like you or someone you know, please send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. Or you can email me at chris.mccarthy@genesis2revelations.com. And I'd be more than happy to have a conversation with you to see where I can help you. With that, let's jump into today's video. Hey, what is up everyone? So today we're going to be talking about affirmations. Well, what is an affirmation? Well, an affirmation is a positive kind of mantra that you kind of tell yourself over and over to really affirm your self-worth and affirm who you are. Now, a lot of you will probably say, I don't need to affirm my self-worth. I know I'm worthy. That's not the point of this. The point of this is to help build you up, to keep you strong, and to keep you really moving forward with positivity. So a lot of people will use affirmations in the wrong way. They use them negatively. And you're going to think, well, how can you negatively affirm yourself? Well, it's easy. You say, I'm never going to be able to do good, or I'm never going to get this job. I'm not smart enough. I'm not talented enough. I'm not good enough. You see? Negative affirmation. So what you got to do is you got to replace the negative thoughts with positive thoughts, because the negative thoughts can be self-fulfilling prophecies. We talk ourselves into believing that we're not good enough. And as a result, these thoughts drag us down in our personal lives, in our relationships, in our careers. But if we deliberately do the opposite and use the positive thoughts about ourselves, we can help ourselves do better. So how do these affirmations work? Well, a lot of people consider affirmations to be unrealistic, wishful thinking. But try looking at positive affirmations this way. Many of us do a repetitive exercise, right? We do this to improve our physical health. Well, affirmations are like, getting tongue-tied here. Affirmations are like exercises for our minds. Get a little tongue-tied. I don't know why. Tongue-tied. Can't even say. God, I can't talk right today. Anyways, the point is when you work out, like say you're doing bicep curls, right? And you're working on your bicep. You do those bicep curls over and over and over because you want to affirm that bicep. You want to get it big and look good and get all the ladies or women. You want to get all the men. But you do that to really build up that muscle. That's what you're doing when you're doing affirmations. You're building up this muscle, the mind muscle. Because if you really think about it, our mind is a muscle. If you read, if you're learning, if you're growing, so is the mind muscle. So is that. So what you want to do is you really want to get it working and get it in that positive, exercise and really boost your self-esteem, boost your confidence, boost yourself, and grow and become very confident in what you do. So how do we properly use affirmations? Well, using the affirmations in any situations where you would like to see positive change take place in your life. These might include times where you want to raise your confidence, like I said, control negative feelings, improve your self-esteem, finish projects you've started, improve your productivity, or overcome a bad habit. Affirmations are more effective when you pair them with positive thinking and goal-setting techniques. So, say for instance, you want to lose 20 pounds, okay? Instead of saying, man, I'm fat, because that's what I used to tell myself, man, I'm fat. Instead, say, I'm good looking, or I'm built, or I'm muscular, or I am skinny. And then set a goal to lose weight. And then as you start to come down from that weight, you will start to physically see it as well as mentally feel it. So that's what I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got something out of it. You can always look up online affirmations, but really you just think of them. Just think, I am beautiful, I am strong, I am willing, I am loved. Just all of these different things. Just tell yourself these things. And the more you do it, the more you exercise it, the better it will become. So that's what I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Share it off to somebody who needs this. And I would love to hear some of your guys' affirmations. So if you want, put them in the comments below, and I would love to read them. Maybe come across a couple I've never heard. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.